Hey guys, I thought I'd make you a quick video on what's been happening. We banded 4 more babies. We'll take a look at those real quick. Things are going pretty well. Here's the first one. Just a single in this nest. We had 1 egg that was clear. Healthy looking baby though. Let's see. Here's the next set. These are going to be pied. Both the cock and the hen are pied, but they're looking healthy. Look really good. And then the next one is over here. I'm not sure. This one's looking. It's going to be light. It could be a mealy. I just banded it this morning. So let her back up there. And then you can look at the babies that we banded. It's been a few weeks ago. Hey buddy. Looking pretty good. Let's look at his nest mate. Hey guys. Still some pin feathers under the wings. Those 2 babies are looking good. Let me show you the other ones. Little blue bar doesn't want to come out and say hi. But she's just about molted out underneath the wing. Let me get her nest mate as well. Come here, buddy. Those are the four babies, and they're getting close. The dark check and the blue bar, they could probably be started moved over to the other to the young bird loft. Hi YouTube, how you doing? It's February 28th. We just took a look at the birds in the breeding loft. That blue bar and that dark check, they could be moved over and in this loft. They're definitely old enough. Unfortunately, I'm not quite done. I'm so close. I got the box perches in there. I got a few more finishing touches I need to do. I'm not quite ready to show it to you yet. Saturday, I'll do a loft tour. So hit subscribe and look forward to that video. I'm going to borrow my brother's drone, and I can show you the layout of the loft and where we're located. It's honestly, it's God's country. Beautiful part of the world. Anyway, hit subscribe, look forward to that video, and I hope all's going well with everyone. Take care.